Jawline looks sharp. Other days, it disappears. You didn't gain fat overnight. You're just bloated. Here's what actually changes your face daily. First, sodium balance. One salty meal can make your face hold water, more fluid under the skin, softer jawline. It's temporary, not fat gain. Second, sleep quality. Bad sleep raises cortisol. Cortisol increases water retention. That's why your face looks puffier after late nights. Third, hydration. When you drink less water, your body holds onto fluid for survival. Ironically, not drinking water makes you look more bloated. Fourth, inflammation. Junk food, alcohol, high sugar, all cause facial swelling the next day. Fifth, posture. Forward head posture hides your jawline instantly. Stand tall, chin slightly back, neck long. Here's the truth. Your jawline doesn't change daily. Your water retention does. Fix sleep, fix hydration, control salt, move your body, and your sharp face comes back naturally.